What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about something very inexpensive. I was perusing through my local Walmart the other day, as I do sometimes, and I came across on the end of an aisle cap this, which really caught my attention. It says Microfiber Towels. These are a 75 pack of microfiber towels for basically 15 bucks, $14.97 or some Walmart related price like that. And so I figured I'd pick them up. Pretty cool for your interiors. They could work for your wheels, possibly windows. I wouldn't use them on the paint for specific reasons. But other than that, guys, I think they're a really cool little option and really cool just to keep in your garage. They are on a normal little roll like this, just like paper towels. So you can just stick them on your little paper towel roll. The cool thing about them is that they are a tear off just like a paper towel roll. So I think they're cool. If you're at Walmart and you're looking at these and you did a little Google search and this video came up, I think go ahead and get them. They're decent. For the price, you can't beat them. It's like 20 cents a towel, so can't beat that. There are some things I don't like about them for sure, especially when it comes to the car detailing side, so we're gonna talk about that soon. But like I said, if you're just there and you're wondering, yeah, it's a $15 investment for 75 towels. You can reuse them. It's worth the buy. And as always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, anything related to car detailing, tips, tricks, how-tos, and product reviews, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Now let's jump into these towels. Okay guys, so I already mentioned I don't like these for paint, for sure. But other applications, I think they're a fantastic choice for your throwaway towels or things that you want to reuse, but you're specifically using them for things that you're not too worried about. Again, leaving them in your garage, getting a little paper towel holder and leaving them in there for all your little spills, checking your oil on your car, cleaning your wheels, windows possibly, I don't know for sure yet. And the reason I don't know if they're good for windows is because they may lint, and if they lint, you don't want that. Obviously, when you're wiping it and then lint is left behind, it's annoying. There's lint on your window, you don't want that. But basically, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this. We're gonna go ahead and open up the blue pack, and here they come. So, one of the things that really caught my attention about this is that I've spoken about this before, and one of the things that I really prefer with my towels, and these are the ones I sell on my site, guys, is that they are an edgeless towel, meaning that there's no seam, either just regular, it's called a surged edge, either that or a silk banded edge. I prefer that there's just no edge to them. The reason for that is I feel like it just gives us less opportunity for anything on that edge to scratch the surface. Also, you don't have any tags that you need to remove because there's nowhere for them to apply a tag. So I prefer an edgeless towel. And that's what these are. They are edgeless. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but let's go ahead and peel this off. So again, I don't like that they start you off with tape. I hate that actually because it leaves a residue on the towel, and I don't like that. I understand these things are rolled up in a bunch, so they have to do it, and the fact that they're so cheap, it's not a big deal if you have to throw one of them away. It's whatever, right? But here we go. So we're gonna unroll it. Let me zoom you guys in. All right, guys. So as you can see, you just unroll, and then there's a seam here, and it separates unbelievably well. I'm shocked at, this is the first time I'm actually playing with these guys, so that separated so well. This edge is completely not harmed at all. It's all good. Let's see on this side. Same thing, guys. The edge feels really good. Go on to the next one. Incredible. Very cool. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't expect them to pull apart that easily and that well and that precise. And whoever is actually manufacturing these did a fantastic job on that pull off. It's fantastic. It's really good. Now, let's talk about the quality of the towel. Here's what I don't like. I don't like, number one, first and foremost, that it's a 12 by 12 inch towel. Typically, and let me show you why. I'm just gonna fold it up in quarters. So here it is, and here's the size of my hand. So as you can see, it's quite a bit bigger, right? So it'll still work for sure, it's just not as comfortable. I prefer a 16 by 16 inch towel because then my palm, my hand fits into it perfectly. I'm not overreaching it. It's really good coverage at that point. Secondly, guys, is it does not list what GSM these are. But they honestly kind of feel similar to my black towels as far as GSM goes. So I'm assuming it's right about a 200 GSM. The black towels I sell on my site are 16 by 16 edgeless. And they're very similar to this as far as them being edgeless and about a 200 GSM. Like if you hold it up, I can see through it. So I don't know if you guys can see through it. There you go, you can see some light coming through on that end. But yeah, they're thin for sure. Now, it is a perfect little square. I don't know the quality of them. When you wash them, they're probably gonna get all twisted and all cattywampus. But again, guys, for 20 cents a towel, these are fantastic. Now again, we don't know the GSM, but again, I'm gonna assume around 200. The second thing that you wanna look at when you're looking at your microfiber towels on how premium they are, is they typically rate them 80-20, 70-30, all that kind of stuff. And that's basically 80% polyester, 20% polyamide. And basically the typical rule of thumb is the higher the number of polyamide, so the 80-20 split or the 70-30 split, 30% polyamide, it just reduces the risk of scratching. Now, I typically, what I saw on my site and what I typically use is an 80-20 blend. I don't have any issues. If you're working on extremely soft paint, then I would for sure go to a 70-30 blend. But in most cases, 80-20 is perfect. These are an 87-13 blend. So 87% polyester, 13% polyamide. Now really quickly, guys, I just wanna jump into Amazon real quick. They have some cheaper towels on there. Still not as cheap as this. And that's what I was wondering. I was like, well, these are 12 by 12. That's not usually what I go with. I know you can get 12 by 12 towels on Amazon really cheap. So I went into Amazon and I looked them up, and they're still not as cheap as this price per towel. And most of them are gonna have a surged edge, meaning there's a rolled over edge that's sewn on the side, which again, I don't personally like. And a lot of those ones are actually a 90-10 blend. So these are actually more premium than that. It's a better towel than those. So I gotta say, guys, I'm actually really impressed with these. Now, just for fun, just to check kind of quality control, let's open up the white pack as well. At my local Walmart, this is all they had. They had a blue and a white. I don't know if they make more of them, but again, fantastic for your garage, interior of your car, windows possibly, wheels, all that kind of good stuff. And then just general around the house to clean stuff up. Again, it's gonna be more eco-friendly because you're gonna be able to wash these and get multiple uses out of them as compared to even those blue shop towels, guys. These are gonna absorb as much as those, if not more, and you're gonna be able to reuse them. So if you can't tell, I'm very impressed with these. So let me go ahead and pop these ones open. Let's make sure that these ones separate as easily as the other ones did. Okay, so we've got it open here. Let's go ahead. Oh man, sorry, I gotta get the tape off again real quick. But it already ripped right there because it's trying to separate from when I pulled for the tape. So I'm assuming it's gonna be quite good as well as just as good as the blue one. So let's go ahead and unroll. Rip. All good quality wise. It doesn't feel like anything happened to that edge even though they put that seam there. Same one here. Now, this one did separate a little bit, but not bad. Good. So this one doesn't want to separate quite as easily, but still very easy. That's nitpicking. It's just those other ones were going super easily. So, but yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to be buying these things, a significant amount of them, just to leave here in my shop and at home, because these are like, there's nothing to complain about at the price. Again, like 20 cents a towel. They're fantastic. I'm gonna go use it on a window really quickly and see if it leaves any sort of linting behind. Now again, a lot of times you can wash them first and all that kind of stuff. I did a whole video on how to wash microfibers, so I'll link that up here or down in the description for you guys so you can check them out. And I will link, I don't know if I can find these online. I don't know if it's something that's online or if it's only in the store. But if they are online, I'll link them down in the description for you guys, or some alternatives for you as well. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna use the white one so we'll be able to see the lint better if there's any being left behind. So I just loaded up one towel with water and the other ones are dry. So I'm just gonna go do my normal process. I only ever use water. I have a whole video on how to do that as well. I'll link in the description for you guys so you can check it out. But here we go. Just gonna take my towel, get it nice and wet, rub it across the front end of the window. And I like the 200 GSM. I like a thinner towel for my windows because I feel like it gives a good opportunity as to scrub any bugs that splattered on your windshield or bird droppings or whatever else, and without having to worry about scratching. It just does a good job at removing stuff. So go ahead and use a dry towel now and flip it and just buff this out to a nice clean finish. Now again, it's evening here, guys, and it's not hot out, and typically when it's hot, that's when it really starts to grab and you leave a lot of linting behind. But I figured this would be a decent little test. And so far, guys, I'm getting absolutely zero linting from these. So very impressive. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Now again, they are small for sure. So not an ideal size. I definitely prefer the 16 by 16 over this. But man, there's nothing to complain about. They're doing the job. And I did a whole video too of like the top 3 things to leave in your car. Again, I'll link that down in the description for you guys as well. And microfiber towels are one of them. And these would be a very, very good choice for that because they're so easy and compact and just stay on a roll, and they can just roll around in your trunk and you'd be good to go with them. So there you go. I'm very, very excited that I found these at Walmart, so I'm happy to share this with you guys so you can go get some for yourself. Yeah, I'm very impressed with them actually. I know they're at 8713 polyester, polyamide, so again, for paint, be very, very careful. You don't want to scratch your paint, but it's better if you're a person that uses a beach towel or whatever, this is significantly better than that. And yeah, like I said, keep this in your car. It's gonna do a better job of absorbing stuff if it spills. I'm happy with them. Definitely gonna be in my garage, definitely gonna be in my shop, definitely gonna be in the house as well for little spills and stuff. So I'm actually very, very excited about these things. I think they're gonna be fantastic for interior stuff. Again, not on the professional level, but just around the house and for your personal car to keep it clean. Not deep scrubbing, but you know, just your basic dusting. I gotta say, it worked really well on the windows. Zero linting so far. Again, with more heat, I don't know, but so far I'm very, very pleased. So that's it, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.